In the opening scene, a chaotic morning unfolds as a family tumbles between saves and chatter, starting with startled shouts and quick exchanges of who's doing what, all while trying to manage a lively household. The drama centers on Papachito, a pet bird that unexpectedly escapes his cage, sending everyone scrambling as the room fills with alarm, laughter, and an accidental tumble of poop on the floor. The tension peaks as Yaya is enlisted to help catch the bird, and the family negotiates who will step up, who will back off, and who will lend a hand, all while the room becomes a tiny theater of misadventure. Meanwhile, the morning continues outside the cage with a visit to the garden, where the crew announces plans to check out snow peaches, a rare variety described with gleeful curiosity. The kids eagerly sample and compare, declaring the snow peaches extraordinary and bragging about their discoveries, while the adults joke about sharing and savoring the harvest. The excitement spills over into practical chores, like deciding who will take the ripe fruit inside and how to handle the unripe ones, with playful rules about not ripping the peaches from the trees and a running commentary on the fruit's flavor and texture, prompting a mix of disbelief and quick problem-solving as the group considers how to salvage the fallen fruit and save the remaining harvest. Through it all, the family remains a unit of playful chaos and affectionate ribbing, sharing plans for how to feature the day's discoveries, especially the peaches in upcoming family moments like a movie night, and teasingly hinting at how Daddy and his friends have transformed the backyard for their plans. The youngsters volley claims and counterclaims about who started what, who left whom, and who bears responsibility for the ensuing mess, all while urgency bleeds into laughter and high-spirited bickering. In the middle of it, a sister's tears surface, prompting quick reconciliations and hurried assurances that everyone is safe and together again, even as the floor and gear around them bear the brunt of their as the tension peaks. The tensions between siblings flare again, with light-hearted jabs about who pushed whom and who will pay for the ensuing chaos, only to dissolve into a chorus of reluctant to and fro apologies and promises to mend the rift with a hug. The idea of cooling off and starting anew resurfaces, even as a running gag cycle lingers over the group, hinting at the next round of antics and the playful but stubborn persistence of their personalities. The narrative then shifts to the practical fallout. The home is now a storm of wet footprints and misplaced furniture, the gang scrambling to corral the mess and return to a semblance of order. One child's phone becomes a focal point of worrying, triggering a scramble to protect electronics from further water exposure, while siblings tease each other about who would rather concede defeat than risk further chaos.